Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made some quick cute little sweatpants with my Cricut machine. If you guys hear my background, I'm sorry, I'm outside. Anyway, so you're going to get your design ready on Cricut Design Space. Once you get that all ready and whatnot, you're going to click make it. Make sure that your mirror is on because it's an iron on, so you have to make sure it's on. Then you're just going to get your Cricut Design Space app ready. Make sure you use the right settings and you get your mat and your iron-on paper ready to be put into the Cricut machine, and then you just press the buttons. Now you're just going to find the placement or where you want it to be placed on your item that you're doing. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just playing around with the placement and seeing where I wanted it. Then don't forget to also look at your heat guide on Cricut.com so it lets you know the settings that you need. Then you're going to get your item prepared to iron on. So before you iron on your piece, you need to iron out the actual sweatpants, take it out any wetness or anything. Then place where you're ironing on exactly where you want it to be. Make sure it's straight and whatnot. Sorry, y'all, it's a truck passing. Sorry. But yeah, make sure that it's straight and it's in the right area that you want it to be. Then, like I said, use your correct settings and go ahead and just iron it on. This was a cool peel, so I had to wait for it to be cool before I took off the plastic on it. And then flip it over on the other side for 15 seconds before peeling it off, And so this is what they were coming out like. I loved it. This is my logo, so this is for my brand. And this is the first item that I made for my brand. They were just some sweatpants. I just wanted to see how it would look on sweatpants. So this is what they came out like, you guys. Like I said, I love them. Don't forget to shop with me. Launch coming soon.